Ready to kick your shoe design dreams into high gear using Adobe Illustrator. First, fire up Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. I recommend setting your artboard size to something comfortable like 1920 by 1080 pixels now. Let's lay down the foundation. Use the pen tool to sketch the basic silhouette of your shoe. Don't worry about perfection at this stage. Focus on capturing the overall shape and proportions. Refine your sketch using the direct selection tool. This allows you to adjust individual anchor points and bezier curves, tweaking the shoe's form until you are satisfied with the overall shape. Time to add some dimension. Use the gradient tool to create highlights and shadows, giving your shoe a sense of depth and realism. Experiment with different gradient angles and color combinations to achieve the desired effect. Next, let's add some details. Use the line segment tool to draw stitching lines and the ellipse tool for eyelets or other circular elements. Remember to group similar elements together to keep your design organized. Now for the fun part, color. Use the color picker or swatches panel to select your desired colors and apply them to different parts of the shoe. Consider using color palettes inspired by real-world trends or your own unique vision. Finally, add textures and patterns to elevate your design. You can import seamless textures or create your own using Illustrator's pattern tools. Experiment with different blending modes to achieve interesting visual effects, and there you have it. A professional-looking shoe concept created in Adobe Illustrator.